Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different.
We are out here in beautiful Treasure Beach. You know, we're at a very nice villa, and we just wanted to show you, you know. We found this one on Airbnb. We ourselves are Airbnb hosts. So, I mean, we are very much immersed in this thing. All right, and you know, we travel a lot. We always try to see what's out there to make, you know, the community a better place.
All right, so we're basically outside, and outside is gorgeous. Like the breeze, the flow of breeze here, it just shot. It's cool outside. We have a really good garden space that Kyrie and Jaden, who's recording right now, so big up yourself, Jaden, our cameraman.
Yeah, Jaden's on the other end of the camera, you know.
Right? And Kyrie, I would have put somewhere. You'll see him. Right? So they've been enjoying outside. There's a hammock outside, 2 hammocks actually. So yeah, beautiful environments that we've been enjoying. We come a country, I was enjoying and soak up all of it.
Yeah. Before we even go inside, you know, we just want to talk a little bit about, you know, the aesthetics. All right, this is a rustic kind of environment.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're outside, and as I was saying, that the breeze is just so nice over this side, and we have this nice little garden. Now, what I noticed when I first came last night, well, secondly, first thing we see are the lizard on the wall, and I must say, it heightened. I don't like it. Right? You remember one look for curtain lizard. So, anyways, chat.
I don't mind lizards. So
I know.
I love the decor.
They are easy to friends. They are easy to friends, I swear. But they are not my friends, they are my enemies.
You have this nice papa tree right here.
We have this nice garden. You know? This is what I noticed secondary. And I love it. And you know what I like to? This nice little rosemary bush for the so rosemary can done, and the lady said I can take some of her rosemary. So you know what I do? Use it and make tea this morning. Yes. I like it. I love this. I love this little garden. And then there is a pineapple right here. And then what I love about the gardens too are the flowers. So the flowers are beautiful here, but this is what my son gave me this morning. So I'm gonna have to teach him how to choose flowers for a lady, you know what I mean? But it's a thought that counts, so I really do appreciate it. I still have it. Holding on to my little flowers, you know? But I love the flowers. I took up some to carry inside, take them and throw them by the place. But I love the flowers. I love the garden environment. Outside is beautiful. Now let's go look inside. So we have our wooden steps. Adrian did mention this, that this is a rustic kind of design. So you do have wood elements all around. So we have our main entrance right here. Your wooden doors. We call this, babe, bifold? We call this? Yes, doors. So you can enter the bedrooms either from the main living space or from outside. So for example, the front room, you can enter the front room from this door right here on the patio. Patio has 2 seats, yeah, which we like. So this is what the outside is looking like. It's covered by wood, by the way, and Adrian did mention that, you know, the rustic theme, the nature theme coming through, right? Friends gather here, if I know our family, I gather here. We have the inside, yes. Blinds by the window, I do like that. It gives you the idea of the space being bigger. You have the beams in the ceiling, again, that adds to the rustic theme. So it's kind of like a rough theme to the walls of the property, and the wooden beams going along actually adds, you know, a bit of, you know, continues with the nature theme that's going on. We have the seating area. We have a dining area with a bistro table, and we have our kitchen.
Yeah, open concept. Living, dining, kitchen, all in one. If you really like it. You have these natural wood tone chairs here, matching back with the wood cupboards, you know, natural wood cupboards and the rafters in the ceiling. So everything coming together, giving you this nice design, and of course,
gray and black appliances.
Yes, and of course the wood grain tiles. Not sure if it's ceramic or porcelain. It look like porcelain tiles. You know, very, very nice, very, very nice. Yeah, yup.
Yep. And this is a bathroom, so it's one bathroom shared with the both rooms. So this is the bathroom right here. Step-in shower, your toilet, you have your vanity right here. We do have our towels out that we're using before and stuff.
And the same wood grain tiles in the shower as well. Again, it just makes the place, you know, it keeps up with that rustic kind of feeling. The ceiling is rough. Yeah, we quite like it. We really like it. You know?
Yeah. So let's go into our bedroom because the boys' bedroom messy and now spread the bed them. Come on, guys. Come on in. Adrian spread the bed, by the way. I'm not spread the bed for my vacation.
What's with you, Kyrie?
I don't know.
Kyrie, what's with you?
This is our queen size bed. So we ship out Kyrie. Cause I don't know how Kyrie would have all in there with the two of we. Yes. So Kyrie slept with his brother last night. Kyrie, how was that last night? How was your sleep last night? Ooh, bless you. It was good? Yeah, you enjoyed sleeping with Jaden last night? Yeah? Bless you. Bless you.
So this is the room.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Minimal.
the door that Cass mentioned leads you to the patio and the outside, so you don't have to come through the living area.
Oops.
You don't have to go through the living area. There it is.
Yeah.
Alright. Yep. Very minimal.
Very minimal.
Yeah. We don't need much. On vacation, you don't need much.
Yeah.
There's no chest of dryer or dresser, but it's fine. We have a very simple closet space, exactly.
Yeah, just a closet space. You hang up your clothes. There are 2 shelves there. Yeah, very minimal. But what I do like, I must say, is, you see, when it comes to minimal also breeds the comfort and space.
Yeah.
So it allows you to relax more.
Less clutter.
Adrian was saying that when he walks in, he's like, you know, some places you go for Airbnb, you kind of feel a bit squirmish. And I'm like that, so it normally come off in me a lot more than it does in him.
If the place not clean.
Even if it is clean, if it is not well lit, if it is cluttered, you just tend to be like, you know, you're not as comfortable. But here, we are comfortable.
Definitely.
So I do like it.
It's a very nice, airy environment. You open the doors.
Yeah.
The place is safe.
When you open the doors, the light comes in on me. Whew. I love that. Adrian's gonna show you the outside, gonna show you the pool. The guys were in the pool this morning. We're not going there yet, but they went in and enjoyed it. Kyrie didn't cry. Now, for those who have been watching our videos, you know that Kyrie is always freaking out when he goes in the water.
Yeah, he's been traumatized recently because of a wave incident that he had.
And he just remember it. It's like, you won't let it go, babe. I say him stay with food too, you know. Like, if he might eat him food and I enjoy it, and then he might eat chicken, for example, and then something go wrong with the chicken, probably bite him tongue or whatever. Him just like, I don't want no more chicken.
Done with it.
Done with it. No more chicken for the rest of the day. Alright? That's why him stay, but yeah. What else do you want to highlight, babe?
It's basically, there's a rear patio plus
up the roof.
A balcony on top.
So we get out the back door. This is what you're greeted with. You have your little landing right here. You have your sitting space right here with a very natural structure up above. So it's board with wooden finishes coming across. Nice. Yeah. And then we have the trail that leads to the pool as well. And this way to the left we have the stairs. Now this goes all the way up to the top, and there is a little landing up there. What would you call that, babe?
Like a balcony.
A balcony. Right, a balcony. Balcony.
Look at you. Look at you.
Hi. Yeah.
I always want you back, girl. I could give you a big bad surprise. Let you take your time. Sure you wanna die. Treat me nice and I'll save you a slice. Baby, it's time to slide. Do you wanna try? No, it's true. It's what we do. Yeah, I
First of all, I got no regrets, but a twisting and turning, got no success. I remember the first time that we two met, the loving, the chugging, can't forget.